Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing a clean network path and the right hardware. Plug both the host and the client into Ethernet if you can. Wi-Fi adds jitter. Once done, stop background uploads and automatic updates on the host and quit any streaming or VPN software on the client. Make sure your router is not running co-S rules that throttle gaming traffic. You want predictable latency. These first steps eliminate noisy variables and give you the baseline needed for tuning. Next, optimize the path packets take and reduce congestion. Enable UPnP or manually forward the app's ports to the host so connections aren't relayed inefficiently. Then configure router co-S to prioritize the remote play traffic and consider capping non-essential devices to about 80% of bandwidth during sessions. If you must use Wi-Fi for the client, switch to 5 GHz, place the client near the router, and remove microwave or Bluetooth interference. These steps cut jitter and stabilize frame delivery. Finish by matching stream settings to your sustained throughput and device limits. Gradually lower bitrate and resolution until you hit acceptable latency. Reduce frame rate if needed. Enable hardware decoding and cap the game's frame output to prevent CPU spikes on the client. If problems persist, reboot the host and the router to clear stale routes, then test on the same LAN with a direct connection to confirm it isn't ISB related. If you still see lag, try the troubleshooting tip. Run a continuous ping and trace route to identify packet loss or hops causing delay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.